I'm stuck in Heathrow right now. These doors to arrivals won't open, so I can't get through. What is going on? There's like a thing here. There's no way for me to get out. And my aircraft came in from here. Like, hello? Is anyone here? 2 weeks ago, I got locked in the area between the jetway and the arrivals hall at Heathrow Airport. Luckily, I was business-minded in the moment and I recorded pretty much everything, so the story tells itself. It's a fun one because I doubt this happens very often. The airport didn't really know how to deal with it, and I certainly didn't. But this video will show you what I ended up doing, and ultimately this is proof that I was locked in a tiny area of one of the world's busiest international airports for 30 minutes without a single person finding me. I'm calling emergency services now. Hi, sorry, I don't know who to call, but I'm a passenger. I just got off. I was the last one off, and I'm stuck in like the arrivals area because the doors are locked to. So hold on, let's see. All I see is the door says G64D3. D3. Okay, I'll put the phone down 1 second. Thank you. Thanks. Yeah. Does this kind of stuff happen often, or is it quick? Yeah, because I stayed and chatted with the crew for a couple minutes.
I've got a passenger on one of the emergency phones in T2B. We're trying to ascertain which gate or which stand he's at. But basically, he's the last one off the aircraft and they've not followed him out. And he's now stuck in the jetty area.
Yeah.
I've got a passenger on red emergency phone, stand 224. He's stuck in the arrivals area. He can't get out onto the actual arrivals channel. He's the last one off the aircraft. Doors are obviously closed before he's got there.
Okay, do you know how long it could be?
Literally just a few minutes. They're only literally like down the corridor, the other side of the door.
Okay, great. Thank you. Oh, here comes a passenger. Oh, do you think they're boarding now? Yeah. Should I just go out the same door or wait for someone? Departures, yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh,
hello.
Hi, you're here to pick me up?
I am.
Alright, okay, thanks so much. She's here. Thank you, bye.
Okay, thank you, yeah, send it over.
Okay, you have your no mix?
Yeah, no mix at all. I'd say just have a look here.
Yeah, will do. Let me just get this gentleman out from the right location.
Oh my god, what just happened? Wait, how long was I in there? Let me check. There's my aircraft, by the way, through the blinds. I was stuck in there for 25 minutes. Wow. Okay, now I'm in like a huge hurry. Okay, I really hope this door opens again. Please. Uh-oh. Yes. My lone suitcase, which has been broken. Perfect. So in the end, I ended up having a long talk with the baggage handlers. They didn't really help me out, unfortunately. I think they might be a little jaded by these situations at Heathrow. But in hindsight, this is quite a funny story, and it's cool that I've experienced it. I hope you guys don't have to, and I hope you enjoyed me sharing my story. So until I see you all next time for another flight review, fly safe.